Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Jamie.
I'm Leia.
And this is an unboxing of... It's different.
Not our usual,
It's not our usual unboxing. It's also not very usual that you see us both on the same video, but we want to do this quick unboxing for you guys, and it's for two Videoke machines. This one is the Wow Fiesta Mini. And then this is the
Grand Videoke Symphony SE Pro Plus Beyond Videoke.
Nice. Now with 8,500 plus songs. So actually, out of the two, this one is the one I'm more interested in because it says here that it's car friendly.
So if stuck in traffic, let's sing.
So that's a good way to kind of deal with the traffic here in Metro Manila. Or you know, if you happen to be a Grab driver and you want to kind of entertain your passengers, maybe you can bring this along.
You know what? That's a good YouTube content.
So parang
Grab driver slash YouTuber slash singer.
Grab sing.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one I think is... we're gonna go jump right in with the price. Sorry for cutting you off. So this one is about 4,800 pesos or somewhere around that. Basta less than 5,000. And then this one
is 27,000, is that correct?
27,900. So basically it's like 28,000 pesos.
Yeah.
So this one definitely it's more for like your house setup maybe, or
if you're really serious about your Videoke, then this is the one for you.
But yeah, so let's unbox this first because honestly, this is like I'm super interested in this one because I think this is great because if you're with your friends or you're going on a beach trip,
you can just bring that with you. Not a big hassle.
Okay, so let's open it up. And whoa, it is like super
tiny. Wow.
Wait, here you go.
It's like it's just slightly bigger than the big power banks.
Yeah, actually it's like a router.
Oh, you're right. It's a router.
It looks like a router. So yeah, basically at the back you have the IR in, an HDMI cable, the RCA in, and then the port for power. And then in front, 2 microphone jacks.
So pwede duet.
So pwede kayo mag-duet.
Okay.
And then, of course, a USB-C port that you can use to kind of expand on the songs, I guess. No?
I guess, yeah.
But the box says it has a companion app that comes with it that comes with this packaging. Of course, we don't have time to set that up. But again, you can update.
You can put it on your phone or your laptop, I suppose.
I'm not sure about the phone, but I think the laptop too, so that you can update the song list. And then of course you have a remote control para pwede nyo palitan yung song number.
Yeah.
And then I think it comes with a free microphone as well.
It comes with a mic, yeah.
Oh, actually here's the rest of the stuff.
Okay, let's do this. This is the mic. Wow, it's heavy. It feels legit, guys. So
yeah.
I feel legit now. So I'm not gonna sing.
Okay. Then you have, of course, yung power brick niya, yung adapter, some RCA cables. It says it comes with a free USB with the packaging as well. And of course, syempre hindi mo wala ang manual na
with the song list.
With the song list.
Yeah. So
what
are the songs? I'm curious.
So pwede kang mag One Direction or mag Call Me Maybe.
So medyo millennial vibe.
So medyo mabagabaw na siya. Pero may Madonna pa rin naman at saka Toni Braxton.
Oh, they're classics. Oh no, the age is showing. Anyway.
Para sa Backstreet Boys, meron din for those 90s kids out there.
How about K-pop?
I don't know. Anyway.
Who wants to hear Jamie sing later?
Let's not. Anyway, so aside from the documentation, you also have, again, as I said, some RCA cables. You can hook it up to your TV in case your TV doesn't support HDMI just yet. Batteries for the remote, of course. And then, yun nga, nakasabi sa box, free USB. So you have a 8GB USB. So I guess this is like how you update the song list via the app. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the Fiesta Mini.
Yeah, this is your portable karaoke setup.
Wow Fiesta Mini. Again, it's less than 5,000. I'll just update the SRP like on screen. So definitely, ito yung you can bring on your beach trips. Again, it's car friendly.
It's light.
Yeah.
My gosh, you're gonna bring a mic in your car.
Well, diba?
Well, if that's your thing, we
whatever
support
it takes to kind of deal with the traffic.
Now,
Right.
I will start with the big one. This, indeed, grand Videoke.
Bukas na siya. I think they...
So, may kumanta na dito.
may pumunta na. I think nag-test na.
Can you still see me? Like about this thing. Anyway, you have the quick guide.
Mm-hmm.
And, oh, it has a bag.
Whoa, parang mabigat siya.
It's fine. Oh, well, yeah. It's much bulkier. But at least everything's organized. You have your, wow, this is serious business.
Rather
Your
thick song list. So if the other one, the song list was about, I don't know, not even a half an inch thick.
You really get more songs.
So
it says
8,500. Yeah, 8,500
So yeah, that is for your concert.
for your concert.
Of course, you have the remote.
Remote control.
And actually, the thing itself is not as big. Wait, no, this is just for the mic, I think.
Yeah, this
it's
is
the
the
mic
base.
stand.
Ito yung base para sa mic.
And you have two.
And wireless.
Wireless, guys. So you can go, pull out the moves.
Saan ka pa? Pwede ka sumayaw.
Yeah. Why am I using the mic?
Hindi ko alam sa'yo. So, bale, we will continue with this unboxing
Using the mic.
using the microphone, even though
We don't need it.
we don't need it.
Yeah.
That's the HDMI cable.
Mm-hmm.
And
Anything
then
else here? Oh, huh?
and
Okay, and
power.
all the
again,
other cables you
power
need.
adapter again. Of course, you'll need this. RCA cable again if your TV doesn't support HDMI.
Oh, you even have the cover for the mics.
Oh.
For people who, spray it instead of sing it.
Actually, that's one of my big recommendations. If you guys are like big on Videoke in your family, you can buy yung foam covers for microphones. I think on Lazada and Shopee. They're super cheap. Again, something that you can buy in bulk and kind of replace after one night because we all have that tito or tita who kind of hogs the microphone and talagang sobrang lapit nila
They like the sound of their voice.
sobrang lapit pa nila mag-mic so medyo yung laway nila nandun na.
Can I just comment on the bag? I mean, I love how everything has a place.
Actually.
You have a place for the two mics. So,
Yeah,
it
you can
really
keep everything organized.
Yeah, and it has a foam, so just for
Yeah.
an extra layer of protection.
Again, it's 28,000 pesos. You can still bring this around definitely with you
Yeah.
guys, but it's a little bulkier. I guess because it's wireless, it's a little bit more expensive.
Yes,
But-
definitely.
But yeah, again, you can still take this around 8,500 songs that you can, I think, update as well. I'm not... Pwede ba? Pwede ba siyang update? I'm pretty sure you can update this. Here, these are just some of the main features of this. You have HD plus audio. Nax, whoa, seriously. 3D real sound songs. So okay, so I guess the sound quality of the tracks you have on there better. Lyric video, of course, since it's karaoke, you need lyrics for the video.
Definitely.
Dual professional wireless microphones.
There.
Just turn down the reverb a little bit so hindi siya echoey. And then full HD video, again, because it's HDMI, so it supports 1080p. Oh, okay, and
It has an app.
it also doubles as a media player. So, yun. So, hindi lang siya pang videoke. Pwede ka pang manood ng movies. And then, of course, it's an internal storage of 16 gigabytes.
It has an app also.
Yeah,
So
there you go.
definitely you can add songs to that.
So, there's a app. It's called the GV Smart app. So, you can direct download songs. You have seamless song update authentication, one-touch pairing, yan, voice command plus, wireless custom picture background. So, kung ayaw nyo ng bikini girls habang kumakanta kayo,
Which tends
Or-
to be the case.
or
The
gusto nyo ng
random
bikini
girl.
girls, we can put that on. And then there are live messages. Okay, that's rather strange for karaoke. So anyway,
It's high tech.
that's high tech.
Yes.
That's definitely not the karaoke we grew up with. Sa atin ata yung big,
Yeah, they're really bulky.
yung malaking setup pa.
Yeah, so actually this is still pretty portable with a bit more weight than the other one. But I suppose if you're really serious about this, or you know how Filipino families are, we love our music, we love to sing, so
Even though some of us can't sing. We
it's
still
fine.
love to sing.
With a couple of drinks,
Yeah.
everyone can sing. Anyway,
Or that's what they think anyway.
so yeah,
So yeah, definitely I guess yung Grand Video, yung Symphony ba to? Symphony SE Pro Plus. Again, if you're a little bit more hardcore into your Videoke, that's one to get. It's 28,000 pesos. You can get it online via Lazada, I think. Just make sure again you go to the official Laz store. So just have that peace of mind.
Another note, be mindful of your neighbors, be considerate.
Yes,
because
please.
we all have that neighbor. I speak from experience.
We have.
Let us not be that person.
We have that neighbor. So basically, among the two, personally, again, I said it right off the bat, that I like the Wow Fiesta Mini better. It's more affordable. You can easily update it also. Again, and I wouldn't take it in the car because I drive most of the time. I'd rather just sing to the radio. But if you're like on a long trip, in a big van,
with family and
that
friends,
could probably
and they
work.
love to sing.
Yeah.
Although personally, I know it costs more, but I prefer this one. Just because of the wireless mic, so you can sing and dance.
Right. No,
Come on, you bring on the moves.
Oh, malay mo.
Go all Beyonce or
all out ka, bigyan ka ninang ng pera.
yeah, pabibo.
Pabibo. So I think that's it for this unboxing. Again, it's very, very different from what we usually do on this channel. No smartphones in this one.
And we've never unboxed. I've never
unboxed a Karaoke. That's true. Because we
don't even own one.
we don't even own one. We usually go. Well, we used to go to like
Red Box in Greenbelt. Is it still there?
I don't know. So yeah. Anyway, that's the Tito and Tita are like babbling. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content.
Follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Leia.
My name is Jamie.
Bye.
Peace. That was such an awkward goodbye. Bye.
And that's not.